In Part 1 of the ALIENTECH Bench Mode user manual, we will guide technicians through the software and explain the resources available when working in bench mode. The attached video demonstrates by selecting John Deere CE equipment, followed by choosing a John Deere skid steer loader equipped with a Bosch DCU 17HD01. On the next screen, we are presented with two access options, bench mode or boot mode. Since our objective is to review bench mode documentation, we select bench mode. This brings up a clear, user-friendly interactive manual that identifies the exact ECU pins required to establish communication to the control unit. Once the interactive manual is opened, it begins with important warnings, notices, and step-by-step instructions required to safely perform ECU access in bench mode. The manual allows the technician to zoom in and out, making it easier to clearly view the required pin locations. As we scroll further down, the manual outlines which wires are required to connect to the ECU and provides quick access links to images of the wires needed for hookup. Under the Direct Connection section, the exact pin locations are shown, with ALIENTECH wiring identified by color code for fast and accurate setup. The manual also shows a pinout chart for reference, followed by instructions on creating a backup file, preparing the component, writing data to the ECU, and restoring the backup file if needed. In conclusion, ALIENTECH offers all interactive user manuals for accessing ECU, TCU in all of their software. In the next Part 2, we will show you an example on how to hook up to an ECU in boot mode. For more information about ALIENTECH products, please contact EAL Diagnostics, your official Canadian dealer.